A very large and intense storm system continues to intensify over the central U.S. We are looking at more heavy snow and blizzard potential, along with some severe weather concerns over the next several days. Well, that storm system again is moving out to the midsection of the nation. Out ahead of it, very warm and breezy. 66 Chicago, 78 in St. Louis, and then cold on the north and western side of it. 30s Minneapolis and Denver. So again, these intense storm systems, a lot of dynamics with that. This storm actually bombed out. The central pressure dropped 24 millibars in 24 hours, a little bit shorter time period than that. But typically when you have a storm system develop that rapidly, it is intense, and that's exactly what we've been dealing with. Minneapolis waking up to fresh, say, 4 to 6 inches of snow, maybe some isolated higher tallies around the region. We're not going to be dealing with as much heavy snow in the Twin Cities now. That's because we're going to be transitioning into some sleet, freezing rain, maybe some thunder mixed into that. Your heaviest snow will be transitioning back to the west and northwest, but a lot of very strong wind gusts. In fact, we could see some 50 to near 60 mile per hour winds. So those blizzard warnings continue across the plains and far western Minnesota. Winter storm warnings to the far north, but stretching all the way from Colorado to the UP of Michigan. On the southern side of that, strong to severe thunderstorms and locally heavy rain. Yesterday we had some very strong winds in the southern U.S., some 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts in the panhandle of Oklahoma and Texas. Still breezy, but not as bad. Wind advisories kind of shifting a little bit farther east there, but red flag warnings thanks to critical fire weather threats today and tomorrow, mainly over West Texas and far eastern New Mexico. We have a slight risk over Illinois today. Large hail damaging winds the primary concern. Couple of threat areas on Friday, but Saturday we're going to watch that very closely in the lower Mississippi Valley, and of course all those master fans watching for some late day thunder in Augusta as we roll into late Sunday.